So it was just issued the at about 3:39 that we got a tornado watch here. Where's your phone, honey? Do you have it? It was issued by a environment, I think. Or did you get rid of it? Let's see. I can't pull it down. Your phone won't let me pull. I gotta unlock. Yeah, there it is. So, here it is. It was issued at 3:39 Standard Time. We were actually just in the store when this came on. My phone made this weird noise. Hers was on vibrate, so she didn't get it. But clouds are looking pretty good, and they're coming from all directions. So I'm gonna just take you out there and show you that right now. So you can see they're coming on in. There's the beast. Funny thing is, our flag isn't moving. I gotta fix that though. But you can see the clouds are building up nice, especially coming from Radisson, which is the south. The north is not bad either. If we go down here, from the west, it's not much from the west. Or from the east, sorry. And yet that's where they said it's coming from. I meant that's the west, sorry. I gotta get my directions right. So I'm just gonna go out here quickly too, just to make sure that everything's hunkered down. Oh, we had a bird here. This is probably gonna fly off. I don't care. It's only held up with a few because our landlord sucks. But so these are probably gonna fall. I mean, as it looks right now, you don't think it's gonna happen. Probably, even on radar. But only thing that we really got to be concerned about, really, is these. But to be honest with you, if these fly away, I don't give a crap. That's going nowhere because it's heavy. That's not going nowhere. I don't care how strong the wind is. This might though, so let's put this away. Oops. Put the fire sticks away. We had a raw sewage flood back during the winter time, and I had to put these all out here because they got ruined. Our RM was supposed to take them away, and they're not, so now I got to deal with it, and that's why the garbage can's here, so I'm dealing with it. Kristen's gonna let out the daisy. There's the daisy. But here, let's come out this way. I can hear rumbles of thunder coming from this way though, but clouds are coming in nice. Hello everybody.
Everybody's freaking out.
Everybody's freaking out now. Getting there, it's getting dark.
In the front?
I haven't actually gone out to the front, but it's getting really windy out here, guys. Storm is here. As you guys saw from the previous, the flag has actually started to blow pretty good. Apparently funnel clouds have been spotted in Radisson, which is the town just that way. So if anybody's in the Hafford area, I suggest you guys stay inside your house because this storm's gonna get crazy. That's when this all of a sudden picked up really quick. Where you going, hon? I'm not gonna do too much live feeding because I'm gonna try to get some of this for our YouTube channel. See clouds right there. Funnel clouds were spotted that direction. Exactly. I might have to, I don't know how much before our, hold on, let me listen. No thunder or lightning yet. That's a good thing because we're outside right at the moment. So, but like I said, funnel clouds have been spotted in that town, which is about 15 to 20 minutes away from us. And the wind just picked up, as soon as I went live is when is where the winds picked up. Here's a nice view. Anyways, this is where it's dark there. I think we're gonna make our way back. Once again, Hafford is under. Once again, for the fourth time or fifth, Hafford is under a tornado watch and warning. Now we've just got both, and these winds have just picked up. I went live just as they started to pick up. We were talking to our neighbor, and then it just started gusting. Our flag has been blowing like crazy.
Tornado watch.
Huh?
It's now just a tornado watch.
Yeah, but it was also the other one too, remember?
Yeah, but now it's just saying it's just a watch.
I can change. It's starting to rain a little bit. No thunder, no lightning. But boys, the temperatures dropped. Hey Glenn, how you doing? Glenn's watching.
Hi, Glenn.
It was supposed to be coming from Kreider, but as you guys can see, the clouds are not even coming from that direction. They're coming from the northeast.
Oh,
And we got rain. Funnel clouds, like I've been saying, have been spotted in the Radisson area, which is that direction. It's about 15 minutes away from us, roughly, by car. Winds have picked up. We've got no lightning, no thunder yet.
I'm here to read a little bit.
We're gonna head inside now. The rain's starting to come a little more. So, I'm gonna start recording on our phones, but if you guys, once again, if you guys were in Hafford, remember we got a tornado watch in the morning. I know Kristin says they've uplifted the what did you say, warning? The warning. So, but that can also change with these storms. So, just listen to the sirens if you're in Hafford and stay inside. And if you hear them, that obviously means there's one happening. Get inside. Get downstairs in your basement and stay there until the storm is done.